First up is Anchor Marine. The valves are covered by a small black plug that can be easily removed. The inflation adapter you'll need to use is a standard football style adapter. If you've got access to one, you can use a compressor for the quickest and most efficient way to inflate. You'll know it's inflated enough when you can press into the fender and make a small indent. If you don't have access to a compressor, you can use a standard football or hand pump. Or another great option is our range of Maypole foot pumps, which are compatible with the Anchor Marine fenders. Next is our line of Majoni Fenders. Majoni use their own inflation adapter that screws into the thread of the valve. Again, the quickest way to inflate your fender is by using a compressor or something similar, which can just clip over the top of the Majoni adapter once it's screwed into the fender, but not everyone will have that option. Again, this is where our Maypole foot pumps will be extremely handy. Polyform fenders have a screw style valve bung. You can use a flathead screwdriver or something similar like a set of keys to unscrew it. And like the Majoni adapter, the Polyform style adapter presses into the valve, fat side in. Again, remember to pop that valve bung back in after you've inflated it. Very similar to the Polyform range, Dan Fender fenders have a screw style valve bung, which again you can use a set of keys or a flathead screwdriver of some description to get out. Dan Fender inflation adapters screw into the back of the thread and look like this. Pump the fender up and screw the valve bung straight back in. The Dan Fender inflation adapter is also compatible with our Maypole foot pumps.